Hi, myself Dr. M.V. Ramamohan, endocrinologist, Pokutota, Nellore. Now I'll be discussing about gestational diabetes. Diabetes is the condition where your sugars are too high. If it occurs for the first time during pregnancy, it is called gestational diabetes. Generally, we test the sugars during second trimester, that is around 28 to 24 weeks of the pregnancy. If the sugars are not under control, it is called gestational diabetes. Around 10 in 100 pregnant ladies in India have gestational diabetes. What happens if you don't treat these high sugars in these patients? It will lead to both maternal and fetal complications if you don't treat. Fetal complications like baby will be big baby and congenital malformations can occur, and for the mother, patient can get hypertension, cesarean section can be needed. These are some of the complications of gestational diabetes. So what is the treatment of choice for the pregnant ladies? Treatment of choice for the pregnant ladies with diabetes is insulin. Insulin is the safest drug during pregnancy. But most of the pregnant women will be reluctant to take insulin, but it is necessary to explain them about the need of the insulin and safety of the insulin during pregnancy. What happens if you give other diabetes tablets for the pregnant lady? They will cross placenta and will lead to complications, both the fetal complications, and it will be bad for the baby. So our main aim is to keep mother and baby safe. So we generally tend to give only insulin during pregnancy. The tablets like metformin also can be given for some patients in pregnancy, and it is very safe. So under endocrinology follow-up, we keep the patient's sugars under normal control and we will have an uneventful pregnancy with safe mother and child. So pregnant ladies are supposed to come to endocrinologist every monthly and have their own self-monitored blood glucose at home, and that report has to be shown to the endocrinologist when they visit us, and we keep the sugars under control, so which will lead to uneventful pregnancy. Thank you.